literally the distillation of the principle that wealth is a byproduct of cultivated capacity. And this is one thing that many people don't value. I always say the society is like this, like a pyramid, right? Poor people at the bottom, average people at the bottom, at the top, the elite, the rich, the political people, and so on. Now, but you see, one thing that people at the top that they have mastered or they understand is that wealth is a byproduct of cultivated capacity. That is why who are the top? Either they pay the price themselves to cultivate that capacity, or they pay people around them who have that capacity. That's why the wealthy, they don't joke with what they call advisors, counselors, coaches, consultants, researchers. Yes, many wealthy people even have departments that they call, intelligence departments. Their job is to just gather intelligence. So when I organize these mentorship programs and with you guys, it is also because of the understanding of this law, right? So according to Wilson, which is now known as the Wilson law, he enforces or emphasizes that wealth is a product of cultivated capacity. Like I shared on my WhatsApp status this afternoon, and people were laughing somewhere, some were feeling, I don't know how people felt, but I said that many people despise financial intelligence, but they have the hunger to watch movies or do entertainment for hours. And I said that poverty is waiting for them at their graduation party, right? Because that is the fact about life. So, what am I trying to say from this law? You see, when you begin to study the way the world works, one of the conclusions that you will come to is that knowledge and intelligence are the true sources of sustainable prosperity. You want to be prosperous in a sustainable way. One thing that you cannot afford to joke with is your ability to command knowledge and intelligence in the industry that you operate or around what you do. Because wisdom and what you can call intellectual mastery, they are like renewable engines, right? That's why I always say that show me somebody who can learn. I will show you somebody who will never be broke. Show me somebody who can discipline themselves and say, you know what, every month I'm going to read 2 books. Every month I will take a course. Or as simple as many of all of you, this is a mentorship call, so you are mentees. As simple as every mentorship call that Dr. Jabed organized, I will not miss. Like you place a high value on wisdom, acquisition, and intellectual mastery. You see, these two, I describe them as renewable engines. As long as you have these two, I am telling you, you will come to a place in your journey where you have the capacity to create money again and again. It doesn't matter if you are broke now. It doesn't matter if you are living hand to mouth. But if you can have these two renewable engines and you keep on going despite the challenges and limitations, I am telling you, you will break through.